Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm back working on the 1956 Consul today. Had this for a number of years, but finally getting back around to doing some work on it again. So I've been doing a bit of a repair on the wing there. Seen in the shorts where I was doing this side, the inner wing. So I've just had to drill all these spot welds out. I'm fighting with these up in the top, I can't quite tell where they are. So it's just lots of holes drilled. It's almost there. All this to get to some rust in the back here. There we go, another job just about ticked off the list. That's the repair I was doing last time in there. I knew there was a bit on this other side, but I've just taken out the battery tray. You can see it's on there, all the way up to there. It's actually gone through this thick reinforcer. So I'm currently just drilling out these spot welds like I did on the other side, so I can get to the inner wing. After much fighting and drilling, hammering, chiseling, it's almost there. Nice. And there, and at the bottom. Bit messy up there too. So I've also got to repair this. A few holes in it. Yeah, they never painted the back sides of these. And in there. Obviously weld it all together, well sprayed the outside and lovely.